integrated into Canvas, and we're going to demonstrate some of the just-in-time help features, including NetTutor online tutoring help. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go to Assignments in Canvas, and let's choose Solve Linear Inequalities. And as we move into the actual assignment, this is a student view of the assignment. You can see we can move through a few of the questions here. And once we find a question here, we can take a look at a few of the just-in-time help features. Over here on the right-hand side, we'll have a hint to help a student move into the right direction. We can actually take turns, so it can take the student step by step through the entire problem, and it'll give the students hints as you go through. Once the student has worked through this, they can actually check their answer, and then they can also try another. And if they're still a little unsure of what direction to take, you can always look at Show Me, and this will break down all of the steps in which you find the answer. And then also for some other just-in-time help features, we have you can email your instructor, you can show your work. But I wanted to show here the live help is tied into NetTutor online tutoring. So these are our tutors, and once a student clicks on live help, this will bring up a window in which you are taking a path to one of our NetTutor tutors. And once this comes up, we can simply meet with a live tutor. I'll open this up so we can see what's happening here. And then as our tutors are working with other students, and once one becomes free, this usually is less than 2 minutes is the average. And once the tutor engages in on the screen, this will actually take the actual problem that the student is working on and then move it right on the drawing canvas, so the tutor will know exactly how to help the student. So we see now that a tutor is now picking me up, and we will see if we can move right into the drawing canvas with the tutor, and we will soon see how this works exactly with Sofia and is completely integrated into Canvas. And if you are a NetTutor partner, you can just enable this, so when students need help, they can get live help here. And you'll see here that the problem from Sofia is moved right onto the drawing canvas, and then our tutors will help their student work through and help them understand the concept. Now, we never give any answers, but we do make sure that the student does understand the concept. And that's just a quick overview of some of the help features inside of Sofia. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.